I'm Kristen from Elevate. We've had a few requests from people to have a look at the inside the building behind me here. It's our largest building to date at 150 square metres. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 living areas with a separate scullery and laundry. It was actually based on our Barn 148 model, which is a 4-bedroom home, but the client was happy to do away with the 4th bedroom in order to get a larger master suite with walk-in wardrobe and ensuite, and also a full-size laundry with an extra toilet. So it's worked out really well for them. So if you'd like to just come through and have a look. Welcome. This is our main living area, obviously, with this lovely raking ceiling, which gives a real sense of space and airiness and loftiness, I think. We'll turn to the left of the building first, which is the master bedroom end. And then here we've got these lovely louvers throughout the building, which just are really good for letting in a little bit of air. They look good too. If you come into the master bedroom, we've got some lovely big windows here with a little light. They open up all over that panel there. We've also got a walk-in wardrobe in here, which is a lovely big walk-in one with plenty of room for shoes, which I would like. And then we've got the ensuite in here as well. You can go and have a look through there. This ensuite is pretty much our standard spec. The only upgrade the client has made in here is just these 2 glass liners on the inside of the shower. Everything else is, as I say, standard, from the heated towel rail to the toilet hole holder, vanity lights and mirrors and things. All standard and very good quality, high grade materials that are used, and all European made. So a nice little ensuite in here. Come on through, have a look at the rest of the home. So back into my living area again. The kitchen again is pretty much our standard specification. We have the Bosch hob and range hood. We do have extras, the microwave and dishwasher aren't included, but the hob, range hood and oven are. The oven is a bit of an upgrade because it's a family home, and the chef of the house wanted a bit more space to cook. Obviously the cabinetry and the drawers and things are all Blum Malteca. They're all standard and made bespoke to whatever configuration you want. And the bench tops are engineered stone, which is standard as well. So we've got the hidden scullery, which is a great little feature, I think, because if you make a mess with the cooking like I do, it's nice just to be able to sneak in there and do all your work, and then come out and quietly close the door, and no one will be any wiser to the mess. So down this other end, we've got another little hidden door. I'll say hidden gem, but it is just the laundry. Come on through here. So this is it's a good little laundry actually. The clients are on a Horster, so they've kind of kept it a separate or hidden from the rest of the home, just so that they can come and go as they please, use the facilities and not disrupt the rest of the house. Obviously we've still got a toilet seat to come in there, but nice big laundry, cat door, and as I say, you can just close or hide it away during the day and do everything. So down this end is obviously the entertainment unit. As you can see, it's huge. There's a lot of storage space in these entertainment units, which is great for families or anyone really. All the stuff we seem to accumulate. Just open doors, and they've got a nice depth to them, so you can fit a lot of stuff in there. And obviously there's shelves are all adjustable, so you can do what you please. And the bookshelves, which are always good, and obviously that's your TV recess in the middle there. So we just come through now into the second living area. Just watch your step. There's holes in the ground, or actually holes in the floor, sorry, for a ducted heating system, which will be put on site. So I come into here. This is the kids' domain. Obviously the second living area where they can just do what they please. We've got 2 bedrooms either side here of the TV. It will be here one day. So come on through. They're lovely big bedrooms. We've got queen king beds with 2 bedside tables. We've got obviously no doors on the walk-in wardrobe yet, but they will go, not walk-in wardrobe, sorry, it's just the wardrobe, but it will have floor-to-ceiling sliding doors there, so you get to use that space, all that space up the top there as well, with for your duvets and blankets and things. So really good use of space and storage in these bedrooms. Again, they've got the big slider windows. Some people, in some homes, we tend to, if they do upgrade anything, it's sometimes these windows, they become doors if you have a deck that goes out the side here, but these are our standard windows, which are lovely big windows anyway. Come into here, obviously this is just the same bedroom, same size bedroom on the other side of the building. And then you've got and through here is the dedicated kids bathroom, which is the same spec as the ensuite. A few little finishing touches there, just got to paint that little skirting board there. But again, same spec, nice big vanities. You've got 2 big drawers, which are actually really good size, especially for teenagers. So I think that's pretty much it in a nutshell. This house will be lived in by a family of 4 who are really counting down the days for it to arrive on site. Every time they come in here, they are really blown away by the sense of space, I think, and they sort of commented about the fact that they've got a lot of storage, and they really love this division between adults and kids, so 2 sort of breakout spaces, which they're looking forward to trying out. So I'm sure they're really going to enjoy living here. The house moves at the end of this week, so there's a few days if you want to come in and have a look through before it goes. We've got other houses on site at the moment that are nearing completion as well, so it's probably a good time to come and have a look around. But yeah, so feel free to pop in Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. We'll be here to show you through. If you want any information in the meantime, our website is www.elevatehomes.co.nz. Thanks.